guys, Gap Creek Spring Sounds Festival. I'm so pumped for today. It's just going to be bikes, beers, there's going to be food trucks there, there's going to be like brands of pop-up tents, there's racing, freestyle show, freestyle competition, which is going to be the sickest freestyle course in Australia, I reckon. And yeah, and I'm racing in the Dash for Cash 250 class, and I'm not going to lie, I'm pretty nervous. I've never raced in my entire life, but I figured I might as well do it once before I turn 30. And yeah, there's some cash up for grabs, so there's going to be some really fast dudes, I reckon. So I don't know, the goal is to just stay upright and try not to come last, but I'm not going to make any promises. And yeah, it's going to be sick. There's also, like, after the big freestyle comp and everything's going to be live music, and yeah, it's just going to be a full vibe. I chucked my swag in just in case, because a mate of mine's camping out there, and I might stay the night, I'm not sure, but yeah, I packed plenty of beer and food just in case. And yeah, it's going to be a sick day. I'm hoping that I haven't forgotten anything, because I've triple checked everything, but yeah, I should be sweet. So yeah, it should be a sick day. Oh, gotta get my coffee. Whoa, what a setup! Looks wet. That makes me nervous. Put some freshies on. Definitely need to do that. She's a bit cold. Idling a bit funny. Oh man, it's so wet. Oh, it's so slick. Not ideal. Really hope that I don't come last, so I'm going to put in as many laps as I can until I get tired. Oh, I'm already tired. got a couple laps on top of him. If anyone has any tips for like your hands cramping, let me know. That's my biggest downfall, is my hands just cramp up and then I can't even like pull the clutch in on the brake. The track is pretty slippery, but it's not as like gluggy as I thought it was going to be. Oh bloody hell, where are you, Liam? Yeah. Yeah, I hope they hang on by the rest of the day. Like, I'm going to get wet socks. Yeah. Oh, you no. Bloody mongrel. Alright, we're going to get some practice laps. Oh, they might have shut it.
That's what I'm looking at. There's one bloke on it, but I don't know what the deal is there.
We'll be quick.
We'll go warm the bike up at least. I don't care if I got to do a race on no practice lap.
Yeah, yeah.
I sort of remember what everything is.
My goal is to not come last and not crash. But I have a good...
No practice laps, you might have me.
I have a feeling I'm going to drop it around the corner, but...
Oh, for sure I will.
Are we allowed to go on?
No idea, I'd say so, otherwise they'll never close off.
Oh, okay. Sick. What's that?
We got all the races on at the moment.
Oh, okay, sorry man. Too easy.
There you go.
Yeah, that's it, eh? Might go watch the 110s. Woo! They're starting to race on that track, so they kicked us off.
Oh.
Yeah. It looks so good too, like it's prepped like... Yeah, it looks mint. Like it has me boots, eh?
Oh, come on.
I hope they hang on for the day.
Fucking might as well wear gumboots.
Yeah, no way. My socks are gonna get wet. Gumboots would be better. Have I missed the 110 race?
Yeah.
Ah, that'd be right.
Missed it.
Yeah, true.
Novelty checks and everything.
Oh, what? Oh, too good. Fuck, the Savo's gonna be sick. Yeah, yeah. It's gonna be sick. Oh, waiting for me patiently. Oh, there you go.
Okay, there you go, eh?
So I fully stooged it and completely didn't press record on my race. But to be honest, you didn't miss much because I came third last. But yeah, it was pretty wild, but never really done that before. But I'm glad I did it. Might do it again. See how it goes. But I'm just going to spin a couple more laps before they shut the track down. Fuck, the track's like they've definitely prepped it real good. look at the other side. Something different. I think I'm ready for a beer, bud. Whew. Hey, what's up, man? How you doing? Oh, I'm definitely due for one of these. Oh yeah.
The button suck it.
Yeah, all right. Here we go. I don't think so. Oh. My swag's still got so much sand, and then it's got firecracker paper from my mate's Bucks party.
Oh, good hell. The old naughty firecrackers.
Yeah. Fuck. Oh, it's gonna stink in there too.
Holy God.
He's not making it out this other side.
Yeah.
No way.
Hey, honey, hold that for him.
Hold
Do
what
we-
for him?
Oh yeah, yeah.
We need to get in front of this bloke and tell him that we don't have a fucking snatch trap. He's waiting for you to go, fuck, don't film him. Just go, just go.
It's a missus.
Show me
Okay,
what's
there you go.
done.
Do you want to keep going?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so
I'll just hold it.
Yes, no, he's not getting out of there.
they were. Oh,
He's,
Oh, he's screwed, eh? In the two-wheel
he's
drive.
not coming out of
Yeah,
here.
he's sleeping there tonight. Oh, that
this-
sucks.
yeah.
They drove further away from where the walking spot was as well. Which,
Like, he's not going to make it up here.
Oh,
This
Someone's
is-
going to have to snatch him back.
oh, 100%. Yeah, 100%.
She's a bit wet. And we're all a bit fucked.
Oh, bit. Then I can just run the trail out. That is heaps.
Is that heaps?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Sick. You're lightning.
But it just needs some paper.
Hey? Yeah.
some paper, and we'll light that thing up.
Check out these dudes. That's the bloody go.
Milwaukee blower.
Yeah. Boy, we need to get something like that. Fuck, it's gonna be a wild night, I reckon.
Oh yeah.
Oh, true. Yeah, alright.
Chili cam.
This should be sweet, eh?
Yeah, I'd stand back a bit.
You reckon?
Yeah. Have you ever played with fire before?
You reckon? Just
Stand back a bit. Oh. Piss weak.
chef's kiss.
Too much of the fuel would have dried out.
Yeah, yeah.
But let's see what we got.
Yeah, just hope it stays on, eh?
Yeah.
Stuck in the middle of two. Let's start it off and nothing and you're finding out someday. And your friends
Whoa! Fully threw me off, eh? That's so good. Bro, it sucks walking drunk through the fucking mud, eh? Yeah, it's so slick. Oh, it's so muddy. It's time to pack up. Oh, no. Oh, shit, this is all I got. Man, I reckon I have to put her in 4 drive to get out of here. That's the aftermath of a good night. Oh, is he gonna make it? Better get a run up. No. Alright, let's go do this. Bloody hell. I just washed my car. Alright guys, this weekend was unreal. It sucks because the main like freestyle show and comp and everything, like because the rain set in, they ended up just bailing on that. So they're just like, fuck it, just everyone head back and get on the beers. So that's what we all did. And it was pretty sick, pretty unreal night. Live music, just chilling, talking to heaps of different people. Yeah, it was wild. I'm absolutely spewing I did not press record when I did my race, but you didn't really miss much. I got like 3rd last, so, but it was still sick event. Hopefully hopefully they do it next year because it was bloody unreal. But yeah, I'm feeling not too bad this morning. Like I had a big night, but like I'm feeling pretty good this morning, so which is good. But I'm probably definitely gonna go to bed early tonight. And I've got so much cleaning to do. Like the mud just sticks to everything, but it's so worth it for the sick time that you have. So yeah. Damn, how's the fog right now? I can't wait to get home and have a shower, brush my teeth, and just get out of like filthy clothes. But yeah, I guess I'll see you all in the next one, but